this is my honest review about Visionize AI. So these are AI tools that you can use to generate images and also generate cartoon videos. So if you are interested in this AI, let's check out what it contains. So these are what you can do with this AI. You can change text to image, colorize. You can always manipulate your pictures with this. As you can see, this is one of the pictures that are uploaded and generated some other extra pictures. So you can always download any picture from the internet and generate extra photos. So also you can create a cartoon video. You just click cartoon video, animated video, text driven video, and also other AI tools. So for this, it comes with other services that you need to upgrade to, but the minimum I paid was $17 with some bonuses that I paid. That was an extra $9. So this AI tool is amazing, and if you want to check it out, you can check out the link in my bio or in my description. So it also comes with a training here. This the training, you come here and it will guide you on different trainings. So how to use AI image tools, Visionize AI. This is the demo here on how to use to navigate through all these features, and also how to add and manage agencies, users, how to convert videos file into audio files. You see, these are AI tool that you can convert anything from video to audio. You can generate audio just using text. So also we have speech to text agency. You can resell the AI products that you get from this tool, Visionize AI. So when you purchase it, you get to input the API's key, like for ChatGPT or OpenAI, Diffusion, and also Deep AI. It comes with this training guide on how you will input those AI tools. So if you are interested, you can check it out. Also, let's see if we can get some amazing AI images. Let's enter ready with a laptop in the page. So let's see if it can generate some amazing images. So Visionize AI is just a tool that combines what Canva can do, what Midjourney can do, and it's affordable. You don't need to pay $100 every month. You just pay $17. And if you want to upgrade to see other features, you can upgrade it. So this is the image that it got. So you can see, you can always regenerate it. Click generate, and let's see the kind of pictures that this AI can generate. So this is another image, and you can click download or edit image. You can edit your image also in this software. So you just click on edit and you come and edit your image here. So you can just edit your image here, depending on what you want to do with it. You can do it. You can add text, heading, as it guys, and go back to your AI. If you are interested in this, you can check out the link in the description.